everyone, this is Abigail with PinkStoneThreads, and I'm here with another YarnYay unboxing. This one is May's box, so I'll go ahead and open that up. And as always, they have really beautiful tissue paper. I love to use this for gift wrap. Oh, cool. Alright, so I'll start out with their booklet. So this one was the 4th anniversary YarnYay, box number 48. And I'll go ahead and open it up so I can tell you what everything in this box is. So for May's selections, it looks like we have Primo fingering from the Plucky Knitter. And this is 220 yards, 57 grams. It's a merino cashmere nylon, 75/25. And this colorway is YarnYay Birthday. So it's very cute, very cool. It's like a teal confetti cake. I really like it. And it feels very soft to the touch. So I'm excited to use this for sure. So that's our yarn for the week. Then we also have, ooh, cool. So it looks like a seed packet. It's called Sew the Magic. This one's a purple clover, and the design is kind of like a tarot card, which is very cool. So that's very neat. So yes, it's flower seed packets. And here it says the traditional 4th anniversary gift is flowers. This is very nice of them to send us some flowers, and that's a beautiful, definitely a really beautiful seed packet. I might even use that as like art for my house, maybe put it in a little frame because it's really pretty. So that's their kind of bonus. Looks like they have a couple bonuses, honestly. Ooh, cool. So this is a canvas bag. Oh, so it's a canvas backpack, drawstring backpack. And it says, hip hip hoo-yay. That's kind of difficult to say, but that's very fun. With a little flower bouquet, and there's knitting needles and a crochet hook in there, which is very cute. And the YarnYay 4th anniversary is printed on there as well. So that's nice to carry around your projects, a good project bag, and you know, interesting to try out a drawstring backpack for a project bag. Definitely don't have one of those, so that's exciting. And then lastly, we have it says this is a felt notions tray. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Sorry for all the crinkling. Okay, so it's a felt bag, and it looks like you just clip each of the ends and can hold your different notions. So this is perfect for little stitch markers, progress keepers. Oh, very cute. So all of these just snap together, and then it can sit and hold all of your little knitting and crochet accessories. So that's very cute, and it's in the kind of signature YarnYay teal color. So very cool. So all around a really great box. Oh, I almost forgot to actually show what the patterns are that are included. So it looks like this one, it's difficult to tell the difference between the knit and crocheted versions, honestly, on this one. Okay, so I won't show any of the actual pattern itself, but here is the knit. The knit version, it looks like it's a cute little cowl, kind of a summery cowl. And then for the crochet version, also looks very similar to the knit version, which I love that they tried to do the same projects in both knit and crochet. So that is the crocheted version. So very cool all around, and definitely excited about this box. And happy 4th anniversary to YarnYay. Thank you so much for watching.